Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For some of you may or may not have known, it was my birthday last week on the 14th of August and I got these absolutely gorgeous flowers and I want to preserve them so badly. So straight away I went online and I ordered some silica gel. I'm so excited to try this. I've been wanting to try it for ages, but you know, sometimes you just don't know where you're going in that direction, so you just put it off. But these are too beautiful not to preserve. I think I will do the pink roses. I might leave the lilies and the sunflowers, see if I can get some seeds from these to grow some of my own for next year. But today, definitely, I'm gonna preserve the pink roses. And I really am so glad this came today, literally today, because I was worried they were about to turn. So first steps first, I've got a really old, and I mean old, probably hasn't been used in about 5 years, container here. I'm gonna pour the silica in and bring you along with me because I've never tried it before. So I'm a little bit excited, but yeah, bear with me. I've also got these gorgeous flowers here at the back. Not sure what they are called. Excuse the mess, I am drying out some sand over here as well. Anyway, this is what they look like. I'm gonna get to chopping and get to preserving. So here goes. So the first thing I need to do is, of course, chop these off. And I know it's sad to see them go before they're even fully out, but I'm gonna get them just under the base here so that this part keeps them all intact. Yeah, I'm talking like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done it before. But anyway, I'm taking them all off to that level. And yeah. So I'm gonna go around, get them all. Oh my gosh, are they just not... Oh, they're so beautiful. And of course, I realise now that I'm getting the lily dust everywhere. Should try and cut those out when I've got them, but I didn't. Okay, 3 more over here, but I'm gonna stop filming and come back when they're all done. The silica I'm using is by a company called Blue Star. I found these on eBay. This was the most I could get for the cheapest price. So whether that's a good or bad thing, I don't know. I did look at bigger companies, but this is 3 kg and I paid I think it was $24.99. I will double check that and put it in the description box below. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put a layer into my container. Okay, I am actually going to use a cup for that first layer of silica because I need more than just a spoon. So I'm going to load it in there to give it a nice deep base. Oh, this is where I should have probably watched more videos than I did. But yeah, okay, nice deep base. Now I'm just going to place the roses into the silica, leaving a bit of a gap in between, she says. Or maybe I push them down. Do I push them down? No, don't push them down, Claire. Just do what you're doing. Then I'm going to use a spoon to gently build the silica up around the roses. I don't want to flatten them. I don't want them to lose this gorgeousness. Don't want that hair. Oh, these are going to look so beautiful if I get it right. Alrighty, that is it. That's a close-up of what it looks like. Now, you saw me shake the container. That was just so that that could get in between the individual layers and the petals. Yeah, hopefully I've done it right. I'm meant to wait, I think it's between 3 and 7 days. I'm going to wait a week. I'm going to wait a full week. But this is me. I might take them out tomorrow. No, I'm just kidding. I will wait a week. Then they should be, theoretically, ready to go into resin. And I am so excited because I'm going to attempt my very first resin pyramid. And hopefully I will see you there for that video.